Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we have a device called Infinix Smart 7, and a technician gave this to me to help him work on it because the phone is dead. The technician did not tell me what particularly make the phone go dead. All right, but it's my duty to troubleshoot. Plugging the phone to DC power supply, you can see an auto amps right there. Using my multimeter right away, I need to check what is going on. And reading the negative line is fine. The positive line is reading short to ground. It's reading short to ground. Now, when you get this type of reading, it means the phone has a full short. It means it has a full short. If you're interested in our online class, please make sure you DM us on the numbers on the screen so that we can help you to be a better technician at troubleshooting and mobile phone repair. So it's as simple as that. Now, what are we going to do? What do you do as a technician when you have this type of issue? Some technicians are just, they are blank. They don't know what to do when they have this type of issue. Now, I'm happy to announce to you, the first thing to do is to remove the shield. Why do you remove the shield? It is necessary you remove the shield that you can see, physically inspect the PCB, all the components under the shield. There's no way you can see the component under the shield if the shield is not being removed. So it's very important that you take the shield off first. And the manner in which you take out the shield, you have to be very careful about it so that you don't damage other components on the PCB or the tracks on the PCB. Now, going to our multimeter right away. All right, troubleshooting each component on the mobile PCB, starting from the battery connector right there, and you see it's reading short to ground on our diode mode. Now, taking the reading diode data value of other components like the capacitors, around here, because most times the capacitors are mostly affected. All right, and you can see this component is shorting right away. This capacitor right here is very, very, very short. Okay, now let's continue our troubleshooting. Now, when you are troubleshooting, always make sure your red probe is grounded. Use the black probe to take readings. Very, very important. Now, touching both sides of each component, the capacitor or the resistor or the diode, anything can be shorting on the PCB. That's what I'm doing right now. And I found another capacitor shorting right here. Okay, now the next thing for me to do is to inject voltage from my DC power supply and monitor under the thermal imaging camera. All right, as you can see, I'm going to connect right now. Connecting right away on this bottom side, you can see it emanating right from under the shield. Okay, that means there is something fishy under that shield. Now let's take out the shield to properly inspect what is really going on. All right, if you're interested in our online training, please make sure you DM us on the numbers on the screen, and we are going to help you become a better technician. We have interesting topics that will help you grow as a technician. Trust me, a lot of students have participated in this, and they are giving their testimony. So be among those that will share testimony and stop giving customers phone and said, the panel is broken, the board is no more working. Okay, now let's go. Now, paying close attention on this area where the ET was coming from, you can see there's a water damage right here. Look at it right here. There is water damage around here, which causes the short circuit on this mobile PCB. So it is very important that you take out shields so that you can see properly what is under it. Now let's clean the corrosion away so that we can physically see what else. I see a capacitor popping out. Probably that capacitor is bad. So obviously you will see a component that is not LD. You will see that you will see it physically. You will see discoloration and bonds or something that is fishy about that component. Now there's a capacitor on this next to this network IC, and it's looking so bad, but I'm going to show you on the screen right now so you guys can see what is going on. All right, this capacitor right here, you see spilling off. Look at that. It has already divided itself into two layers, right? One of the layer as, hey man, that is it. Now let's take out this capacitor. Let's take out this capacitor, and it's very important that when you take out a capacitor, you replace with another one. Okay, please take notes of that. Now, after the bad guy is out, after we've taken out the short on the PCB, let's take another reading on the VBAT section, and let's see if the phone is still short or it's not. Now your red probe on ground and black probe to take your reading. Now GND first, obviously, is always fine, and the positive terminal is reading fine, 0.37 right away. That's a very perfect and good reading. Now let's proceed connecting the phone to the DC power supply and power it on again. Let's go right away. Okay, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. All right, is it going to power on? And that is it. That is it. It's troubleshooting a shorted circuit. Is as simple as that. Okay, so if you're interested in our online training, all these things I'm talking about, you still don't understand it, please DM us on the numbers on the screen, and we're going to help you become a better technician, a professional technician. Okay, we have our online and physical training. DM us now. See you in our next video. Peace.